Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a chandelier in Revit. This is the one I'm going to be modeling after, and I'll be putting it in this cafe area. And if you want to know how to show your furniture on your RCP, click the link in my description box, and I'll also put it in the cards on the screen. Getting started, I'm going to go to File, New, Family, and click Lightning Fixture, that category. And then it's going to open up to the reference level view automatically. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and start with the top plate of the chandelier, and you'll see I toggle back and forth pretty often to check the dimensions. Starting with the create extrusion tool, I'm going to draw a circle with a total diameter of 5 inches. Those are the dimensions that the company provided on their website. And after hitting that check mark, I'm now going to go to the front view and adjust the thickness of that. Now it's time to do the center pole, which I'm going to perform the exact same method. Extrusion tool, make a circle, go straight down the middle. When thinking of designing a chandelier in Revit, even if your chandelier looks complex like this, just think of it in pieces. Break it down. So I'm breaking down the top plate, breaking down the center pole, and now you'll see me break down the other components of the chandelier. It's real simple if you just break it down into pieces. Now I'm back on the reference level view, but I'm going to start making those funky shapes you see, starting with the big center flat disc in the middle, which is 44 inches in width total. Now going back to the front side, I'm going to make that big wide disc as skinny as possible. Now this is what it's looking like so far, looking great. Now I'm going to make the other shapes on the top and the bottom. To achieve this, I'm going for the blend tool on the reference level view, and starting off with the smaller cone, I'm going to go ahead and sketch the bottom and then the top, both in a simple circular shape, with the top cone being smaller. I've activated the blend tool again, and now I'm going in to sketch that medium/large size cone right below the smaller cone, and I'm doing the base. It has the same makeup as the smaller cone, it's just flipped upside down and larger. Now I'm going to drag the two to meet in the middle and adjust their sizes appropriately. Now all I have to do is copy these blends, as you can see in this picture, and literally flip them over that center flat disc, and this light fixture will be done. This was just a demo video, but this light fixture chandelier is officially done. Now if you want to add a void in the center cones, of course you want to go to void blend. Here it is in my ceiling, and here's the final rendering of the chandelier. It looks very pretty. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope this video is very helpful. Have a great day, and God bless.